Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Cook and Stir, and today's video recipe is about chocolate chip cookies. Here are the ingredients. You can pause the video and read it through or watch along as I tell you how to make the recipe. So let's start with 120 grams of butter, which is of room temperature, and start whisking it. Once it becomes nice and smooth, we shall add 50 grams of sugar and 60 grams of brown sugar and mix well. Now add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and 1 egg. And mix till it all blends well. Next, we'll take a sieve and add 150 grams of Maida along with half teaspoon baking soda and sieve it together. Take a spatula and use the infamous cut and fold method. Now add 50 grams of dark chocolate and 100 grams chocolate chips. Now scoop out some of that dough and place it on a tray or mold with a parchment paper on it. Make sure to keep the dough balls little away from each other because they'll spread as they bake. Top it off with some chocolate chips for show and taste. Bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degree for 15 to 20 minutes, but the time can vary as per your oven. Let the cookies cool off once you remove them from the oven. And that's it for this video. Don't forget to hit that like button and catch you in another one. Till then, thanks for watching.